So the process to make or create videos on Rednote is quite easy and simple. Simply open up your app, and once you are inside here, just go and make sure that you are logged in, and let's go and tap on this plus icon in the bottom middle. This opens up your album. You can just go and tap on camera. You can just make a video from here, just do anything. And the video has just started. You can, I guess, go up to 60 seconds. So once you are done, tap on done. And now you can put in the effects. So you have effects at the bottom. Just put in anything, whatever you want to. You have more things as well. You can put in the text. So it's mostly in Chinese, but you have to search for English as well. For example, English is there. You can go to typeface as well. Go down a bottom. You can see the English as well. They are adding more and more English features, so you might have to wait a bit. You can put in the style, whatever you want to. It's mostly there. For example, I put in this time. Done. You can trim, you can put the stickers, maybe put in the location. I just don't want to put in now. So once you are done, you can choose the music at the top. Just choose in any music. It won't play because I'm recording the video. So you can just tap on done. Go to next. And now you can add the title and the description, the hashtags, the locations. If you want to make it public, just go and tap and post. And now it is asking for the number. In case if you have made your account not with your phone number, you have to put in your number as well. So that is quite simple. It's not really much a problem. It would just send a code and you have to enter that. Hopefully, by doing so, you'll be able to create and post a video on Red Notes. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.